Ever thought about making money by selling custom t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without ever touching a product? That's the magic of print on demand. In this video, I'll show you how to start your own print-on-demand business, where to sell your designs, tons of product ideas, and tips to boost your profits. First, what is print-on-demand? Print-on-demand is a business model where you create custom designs and sell them on products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, tote bags, phone cases. When someone buys your product, the print-on-demand service prints it and ships it directly to your customer. No inventory packing or shipping headaches for you. You just focus on designing and marketing. Why is print on demand so popular for making money online? Low risk, no upfront costs or inventory, and low cost. You only pay when you make a sale. Passive income, create it once and sell forever. Creative freedom, design anything you like. Work from anywhere, nowhere. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. One of the best parts of today is the huge range of products you can sell. Classic apparel, t-shirts, short sleeve, long sleeve, V-neck hoodies and sweatshirts, tank tops, crop tops, leggings, accessories, tote bags, backpacks, phone cases, laptop sleeves, baseball caps, home decor mugs and tumblers, throw pillows, blankets, wall art canvas prints, posters, framed art coasters, stationery, notebooks and journals, stickers, planners, greeting cards, lifestyle items, water bottles, aprons, mouse pads, yoga mats, keychains. Here's your step-by-step guide to launching your pot business. Step 1, choose your niche. Pick a specific audience to target, like cat lovers, coffee enthusiasts, or gym goers. The more specific, the better. For example, instead of just travelers, try solo female travelers. Create your designs. Use tools like Canva, Photoshop, or Illustrator to create eye-catching designs if designing isn't your thing. Hire a designer on Fiverr or Upwork. Step 3, choose a pod platform. Popular platforms include Printful, integrates with Etsy, Shopify, and more. Teespring, great for beginners and free to start. Redbubble, a marketplace with built-in traffic. Printify offers a wide range of product options. Step 4, choose a selling platform. Decide where to sell your products. Etsy, perfect for creative custom products. Shopify, build your own store for more control. Amazon Merch, sell on Amazon's huge marketplace. Redbubble or Society6, marketplaces with built-in audiences. Step 5, upload your designs. Add your designs to products like t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags. Write detailed descriptions and use keywords to help customers find your items. Step 6, market your products. Promote your products on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. Consider running Facebook or Instagram ads to reach more people. How much can you make with print on demand? Let's break it down. Beginners expect to earn $100 to $500 per month with a few designs. Intermediate sellers with consistent effort, you can make $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Advanced sellers with effective marketing and a strong niche, you can make $5,000 to $10,000 plus per month. Common mistakes to avoid: trying to appeal to everyone. Solution: focus on a specific audience. Mistake: low resolution or generic designs. Invest time in creating or hiring quality designs. Mistake: setting prices too low or too high. Solution: research competitors and find a balanced price. Mistake: relying solely on the marketplace solution. Promote through social media and ads. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and remember, your creative business starts today. Let's make it happen.